HiZoo Neck Massager Review 2025 alleged device or another online scam. Most people get this wrong by assuming all online neck massagers are ineffective or cheaply made. The surprising truth is that the HiZoo Neck Massager delivers real relief, but it's important to know what to expect. The device features adjustable intensity settings and multiple massage modes, including kneading, vibration, and heat. You won't believe how quickly it targets stiff muscles around your neck and shoulders. Users report noticeable relief after just 10-15 minutes of use, making it convenient for home or office. The massager is lightweight and portable, and the rechargeable battery lasts for several sessions. Some users noted that the heating function could be warmer for deeper penetration, but overall it provides gentle, soothing relief. The surprising truth is that it works best when used consistently, combined with light stretching. In conclusion, the HiZoo Neck Massager is a legit device, not another online scam. Most people get this wrong by expecting professional-level therapy from a small gadget, but for everyday stiffness and tension, it delivers effective results. If you want a compact, easy-to-use solution for neck discomfort, this device is worth considering.